Hello,
Hello, teacher Ron.
what's your name?
My name is Lisa. I'm 5 years old.
And what color do you like?
I like pink.
What animal do you like?
I like
What animal do you like?
pig.
Okay, pig. All right. So let's see. What letter is it?
Letter A, letter B, letter C,
Letter
letter
D.
D, letter
E.
E, letter
F.
F, letter G, letter
H.
H, letter I, letter C, letter
K.
K, letter
L.
L,
Letter.
letter W,
Okay. M. N.
N, O, P,
Q.
Q,
R.
R, S, T,
U.
U, V, W, X, Y, G,
Wow, very good. What's this?
and
What's this?
back,
What's this?
cat, duck, air, pig,
Grapes.
fish, hen,
House.
house,
Ice cream.
ice cream,
Jacket.
jack,
Key.
key,
Lion.
lion, eye,
Moon.
moon, low, onion, answer,
Quilt.
quilt, rat, sun, tie,
Turtle.
turtle, umbrella, violin, whale, xylophone, yellow,
Zebra.
zebra.
Okay, good. So look over here. What do you see?
I see a
Horse.
horse. I see a rabbit. I see a pig. I see a cow. I see a donkey.
Okay.
I see a rooster. I see a hen. I see a duck. I see a sheep.
Okay, very good. Thank you. High five. All right.